What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $500 per day from TikTok easily. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see right here, I make a lot of videos on making money online. So I think it'll be in your best interest if you subscribe to this channel right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of these valuable videos. And make sure you give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. So just give me a like and drop a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, also one other thing, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's at AppGrind, because it's very, very important to follow me on Instagram if you want to get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers, which is coming soon, guys, which is hopefully will be this month of August. So if you're new, it'll be very, very beneficial for you to go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, drop that comment down below, and follow me on Instagram. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because there's several steps you're going to have to take. And you need to follow these steps. You need to pay attention or you're not going to make $500 per day. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Don't skip anything. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to the first site that's going to help you start making $500 per day from TikTok. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at the first website. Well, I'm on YouTube. And I went ahead and typed in best TikTok compilations. So this is their channel. And they make TikTok compilations. So that's what you're going to be doing, guys. You're going to be making TikTok compilation videos and you're going to make some good money doing this. Now, I want to bring you to this channel because I'm going to show you how much they're making and then show you something that they're doing wrong and that we're going to do right when we put our compilation together. So let me go ahead and click on one of their videos. I'm going to have the sound down because they're probably going to have music. I don't want to get copyrighted. But as you can see over here to the right, once this loads up, I have Social Blade stats on here, or Social Blade information about each channel that pops up on here. So this channel here makes $3,000 to $49,000 a month just from these little compilation videos. So they're making some good money, guys. They're making some real good money. And you can make some good money too doing this. So the only thing is with them, they're playing music and they're playing copyright music. So I don't know how they're getting past it, but they're making some money from it, but they're probably not playing the full music, or I don't know what they're doing, but we're not going to even take a chance with any copyright music. So I just want to show you this first. So let's go ahead and go to the next website. Okay, I'm at the next website. The name of this website is musicallydown.com. So here you're going to be able to download TikTok videos. So all you do is just put the link right here, click download, and it shows up on your computer. Now, I'm not going to show you how this works because it's very, very simple. But as you can see right here, enable video with watermark. So that means that it will be able to remove the watermark from the TikTok videos. Meaning they're going to remove, you'll be able to remove the name of the person that's, whatever video that is, whoever's it by, you're going to be able to erase that name. So when you make your compilation, you're not going to have to worry about the person's name or anything. So your compilation is going to look very, very good. Now, the next thing you're going to do is find the videos that you want to make a compilation for. So we're going to go ahead and go to Google. All right, so you're going to go ahead and go to Google and put in TikTok funny. And this is going to pop up down here. You're going to go ahead and click on hashtag funny, hashtag videos on TikTok. Click that. And it's going to show you all the top funny TikTok videos, because people love to look at funny videos on TikTok. So you want to pick the best ones, and these are the best ones. These are the top ones that's getting a lot of views. Let's just click on one of them. So like this one right here. This one right here is the top. I guess it doesn't show the views on here, but this is one of the top ones. They got a lot of views. Let's see another one. You can't see the views on here, so it's no music on here, but let's see. So these are some top videos on here, and you want to go ahead and probably get like 5 to 10 of them, and you're going to go to musically down, put the link in there. It's going to download to your computer. Going to remove the watermark, which is the TikTok little logo and everything on there. And the next thing you're going to do is put the video together. So if you don't have a video editor, you can go to a video editor that is online. So let me go to that one right quick. All right, so you can go here. It's called InShot. Matter of fact, they have apps that you can download and use at the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. But it's very, very simple to use. You can trim the video, remove the middle part, split the video, merge clips, and adjust the speed. And also you can lower the volume, which is something that you're going to need to do. And see what it says right here. Okay, so right here it says add your own music and sound effects. So you'll be able to add your own music. And that's what you're going to need to do. You're going to have to add your own music because you don't want to get copyright by YouTube when you make your compilation and put it on YouTube. So that's the thing that this other video channel is doing wrong. This video channel right here has music in the background, and they're probably getting copyright. Now, here's the last step you're going to have to take, because it might take you a while to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so you can make some money. So we want to make some money before we get the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So let me show you something here. All right, so what you need to do is, what they're not doing is put a link down here. Now let me go to another one, because I saw another video. They have a link in their description. And the reason why you want to have a link in your description, you're going to make some money when people click on that link and go to this website. Okay, so I'm at this other video. Now, here we go. Right here, check this out. And this is a link, and it's taking them to a product. So it's going to take the viewer to a product. And if that viewer buys the product, then this channel right here is going to make some money. So they're making money two ways. They're making money from the ads, and they're making money from the link where the product is, because they're probably an affiliate market with that product for their product. Now, that's what you're going to do. So after you make your compilation, you're going to put a link in your description of a product that you want your viewers to go check out and hopefully buy. Now, where you're going to get that product from, I'm going to go ahead and take you to that website right now. Okay, I'm at the website. You probably heard of this before. I've talked about it in several of my videos. It's called ClickBank, and they sell digital products. So you'll be able to come here, and you're going to look up, let's see, you're going to look up games. Okay, when you come here, as you can see, they have products here. And you're going to look up gaming products. Now, once you sign up with ClickBank, you're going to be able to get a link. And once you get that link to whatever product you find on here, gaming product, you'll go back over here and put it in the description of your video, your compilation video that you make. And when they click on that link and go buy the product from ClickBank, you're going to get a percentage of that because you are an affiliate marketer of ClickBank. So that's all the steps, guys. Hope I didn't go too fast. I tried to go slow as possible, but at the same time, not take all day on this video. So follow those steps and you can start making $500 per day from TikTok. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Before you click away, please don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. Just 50 likes for this video. That's all I ask for. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. I know hopefully I didn't go too fast. I tried to go a little bit slow. But if you missed something, just please leave a comment down below and ask me any type of questions about this method. And don't forget to type #TheGrindIsReal so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. And make sure you follow me at AppGrind. So it's very important to follow me on Instagram. So please follow me on Instagram. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video and you learned something today about making money with TikTok. And please leave a creative comment down below because I do shout out sometime in my videos. So if you leave a creative comment, I'll shout your name out. All right, that's it. Thanks again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.